Taste the sweetness of beehive treasures in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where green-spirited brands such as MEDEX are making the world a better place with the power of bees. As a pioneer of apitherapy, MEDEX is renowned for developing first-class bee-based supplements. The team's deep knowledge, research and development, and in-house production have contributed to making it a company with long-standing success in turning traditional bee products into clean-label and clinically supported innovations. By combining beehives best with science, MEDEX has become one of the leading European producers and the worldwide leader in discovering the benefits of bee products.
Bees are part of Slovenia's heritage, and MEDEX builds on this tradition, unlocking the potential of hive products beyond honey, with innovations like propolis, a natural defender, and royal jelly, the elixir of longevity, pure solutions for preventive health.
R&D is a priority for MEDEX, tirelessly studying bee products through scientific research and clinical trials. Our commitment to effective and evidence-based solutions is what allows us to create safe formulations that deliver real health benefits to consumers worldwide.
This bee-friendly world ambassador is the holder of some of the highest quality certificates and is regarded as Slovenia's best company to work for in the food industry. With green products such as the Gelée Royale, a royal jelly-based product line that stimulates immunity and physiological balance, MEDEX taps into the healing benefits of nature and improves people's well-being. By being green, creative and smart, MEDEX is an example of the passionate Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Unlock the power of nature in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.